Hello friends, this is Mehul Dutia from Sacred.Soul.Science and we are in services of alternate healing. Friends, it is so true that our emotional state of mind is responsible to evoke many diseases. Let's look at one of the case of lady called Arohi. Currently, she is aged 35 years and she was diagnosed with diabetes 3 years back. During last 3 years of her diabetes journey, she understood that living a diabetic life imposes many restrictions and it's cumbersome to take pills throughout her life. She wanted to overcome this disease permanently and discontinue her pills. From her friends, she got to know about science of disease. She studied how different emotions create vibrations in our body that leads to permanent changes. If emotional moments are bad, then due to low vibrations as a coping mechanism, disease gets born inside our body. She then got ready for an inner child healing workshop. While attending the workshop, she could trace roots of her disease to an office situation where she was deeply emotionally impacted on being falsely accused and got maligned by her bosses and colleagues. This left her feel helpless and ashamed. She, however, continued to work at the same place due to lucrative post-marital benefit offered by her employer. But all this came to her at a cost of her mental health. After the workshop, she decided to work upon herself and relieve herself from this issue. So she chose to do personal inner child healing sessions. During the session, she could see another teenage moment where she experienced very similar emotions in her life. She, being youngest in all cousins, was made a scapegoat and without understanding, her grandparents had made a big issue at a family gathering. And this is how her joy of family get together was replaced with ugly bitterness. She continued living with her grandparents under suppressed emotions all her life. In both the incident, her mental suppressions of emotion led to heavy bitterness. Teenage moment that was suppressed years ago again got mentally triggered. With this office politics, an effect of this was weakening of her insulin generation in body due to excessive stress hormones that got repetitively generated due to suppressed emotions. After taking 3 personal inner child healing sessions, she could restore her emotional balance and let go of her teenage wounds of rejection, and at the same time she also let go that trigger of deep resentment in office. Over 4 months she worked on her health and she overcame diabetes permanently and she reclaimed her life's sweetness. Friends, with many studies done abroad, shows scientific evidence that 90% of the disease are done due to different emotional pain or belief that gets created in childhood, like feeling abandoned, feeling insecure, feeling rejected, or you fear or you have any kind of traumas. Once these feelings are generated, we tend to repeat those patterns and someday it may transform in disease. Friends, subscribe to our channel and bring awareness in your life. If any of your beloved ones is suffering with any of the chronic disease, do consider this healing modality to overcome any kind of symptom that you are facing. I have separately created a video of how a feeling or emotions can create in or manifest in any form of disease. If you like this video, do subscribe our channel to receive more updates on the upcoming videos. Thank you.